Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Abigail Boa and I make videos about natural hair, beauty, and lifestyle. In today's video, we are going to be doing one of my signature hairstyles that I love to do, which is a high ponytail. It's very simple, very easy, and I just wanted to show you guys how I do that. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Styling my hair in bantu knots for the past week, so I'm gonna take out these bantu knots and then start the process. Do y'all see the way my hair still has shine after a whole week? Like, this is what proper LOC method can do for your hair. So I'm brushing my hair up into the top knot bun right now. Then I will spray water into my hands because I don't want my hair to revert back, and then put that in. Then follow it up with my shea butter to seal in that moisture that I just put in with the water. So I'm gonna loosely tie my hair up in a ponytail so that I can start slicking my hair down with some eco styler to just start that whole process of the top knot. So we're gonna go in with the boar bristle brush and some eco booster to gel the edges down and the back of my hair down. We want it as slick as possible without having it look too hard like. So we're slicking it down, but I don't want that whole just like super slick, super over gelled hair. That's not the look we're going for here. After brushing my hair, I'm going to now officially tie my hair properly into the top knot bun. So you get as tight as possible, but you don't want no headache by making it too tight. We're now also trying to pull our edges out or our hair out. Even though my face is looking like it hurts while I'm tying the hair, it did not. 3 times around was enough. I'm going to follow it by Cream of Nature Perfect Edges in the color black. This is going to help me color in my edges since, I have hair, but it's a little thin for your girl right here. This is major keys to getting your hair slick. You have to scarf it down. Like, if you don't do that, this whole style would have been in vain. You have to slick it down for some time so that the gel and the edge control, everything can set in. So I'm going to scarf it down while I do my top knot bun. Split the hair into 3 sections, and then I'm going to twist each section before putting it into a top knot. For the top knot, you have to shape it into the style that you want. There is no correct way, and that's what I love about this hairstyle. If you want it really long, you can do that. If you want a more smaller size, you can do that. You know, it's at your leisure. Ended up taking off my scarf while I did this bun. I'm going to put it back on once I'm done so that my hair can have the time to set. So I am back. I went ahead and took off my headscarf. I had it on for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then also for my top knot bun, I ended up changing into 4 twists and then pinning it down compared to the 3 that I had previously. It was much easier with the 3, with the 4. And you can kind of just shape it to how you want it. For me, I'm satisfied as long as my ends are tucked in. Your girl is good. So I'm gonna go on ahead and put on makeup and show you guys the difference of what it looks like for you guys to see. So I went ahead and did a quick makeup look to tie this whole style together, but this is the whole look. I love doing this style because it's very simple. It's also kid friendly. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified the next time I upload. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Also, cheers to the New Year's. I hope that, you guys' new year is prosperous and filled with a lot of blessing. I hope mine is too. Hope you guys enjoy yourself. Bye guys. Cheers.